What's going on, you scumbags? Back again, doing this long overdue fuel pump on the 94 Caprice Classic, and as promised, I broke the vinyl fuel line. So luckily, I have experience in that category, so I'll be fixing that. But for now, this is the old pump. As mucked up as possible, and some hippie types, from I want to say from Venice, came and picked up the old gas, so that was easy. Just took a little bit of googling, and that's that. Got the new pump in, like so. Looked like a Joker gun, but that's getting ready to go. So now I'm doing the mock-up for the line that I broke here. So the inlet broke, so that's gonna have to get fixed, and then we're connecting it with this dormant part. The dormant part is 800-064, and then this connects it. Cause like I'm not the first idiot to do this, so I got those two about to go on. We should be able to get everything back. And I want to say that third lever, which I'm not used to on fuel pumps, which is the skinny one here, was disconnected on the old pump. So here was just a rubber hose, and there's a rubber hose under the hood. So I'm not sure why, or if that's the reason I wasn't getting any fuel pressure, but I'm almost sure this was, because I don't know if that happened when I took it out or not, but it doesn't make sense because I was getting fuel to the engine. So yeah, here we are. I'll shoot a little bit more when I get this all rigged up underneath the car, and then I'll put the tank back in. All right, here's a shot of the fix for the broken line. So this is here. That's metal right there. Here we got the barbed connection here, and this is the nylon dormant part here, and this is the connector to the line where the snap was. So basically I added that much just to be safe. I'll go back in and cut it if it doesn't fit, but that'll give me some wiggle room when I'm putting the tank back up. And then this one, the outlet or the return on the fuel pressure regulator line, that one is intact. That's there. And this is the third one. So that's how it was. I have no clue. I'm gonna just stick it back on there, so, and see where we are from there. If it doesn't work, it'll be another day of work. But yeah, this is it, and we'll be putting in the tank. Here is the shot of what it looks like. Hooked up, ready to go. I'm probably gonna leave this here and just get a little video of how it looks starting up. All done. Been dreading doing that. I got the plumbing squared away, and the dirty clothes and the dirty back to prove it. Yeah, it was a fuel pump the whole time. My bad. I just didn't want to do it. So this is the fuel pressure. see if we still got a leak somewhere. So we'll check underneath. It was a leak. I done had the hoses tight enough. That leak has stopped. And we will check to see if the fuel pressure holds at all. Car goes off. We check the gauge. So the gauge is holding at 30. No sign of letting up. Appreciate you, scumbags. I'll be a member for life. I really appreciate you guys putting up with me, my laziness. Drove out here, took a half day from work, and got this done. Yeah, it's a roller. Gonna get some tires on it, and we're gonna sell it, you know what I'm saying, to the next guy. Hopefully he gets some enjoyment out of it. But yeah, I appreciate everybody. Thanks for putting up with me. And yeah, signing off. Zip it up and zip it out. Peace, y'all.